Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I'd like us to start our analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. It looks like on this chart the price may likely extend to the lower side. So we have a very good support level here. We had a support. There is a break above it. As it is right now, as long as the price does not clearly ascend and close above this line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell position from. So if the price pulls back down, we expect it to extend downwards at least up to this level here, where if this is broken, the next target is this one here. So we expect that the next candle, today's candle that is, will see the price extend downwards, which may go below this point but should not break above this level here. So that's that. The next chart I want us to have a look at. The US dollar, Japanese yen. This is bearish. So you remember what I mentioned? I drew my lines the same way they are now. I left them like this. So I said this is our support. We had a support. There was this break below that support. Then I said that if the price was to pull back and touch that level, which was somewhere here, this was going to give us a good place to look for a sell from. So if you took a sell there, you're supposed to keep holding onto that position. And now that the price is below this level, we actually expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards up to this target here. So the idea basically here will be to keep looking for sell position, keep looking for sell orders, expect the sellers to push price downwards after the break below this point up to this target here. If this target is broken, then expect it to continue much lower, at least up to the next target, which is this one here. So we are basically sellers as long as the price is held below these two lines. We do expect that the sellers will push price downwards up to this target here. The next chart is the GBP USD. This is still a buy. So we have our lines as we drew them the other time. So we still have a very good trend line here. It was broken. The price is still above it. So expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards and touch this level. If that target is broken, the next target is this one. So we're going to watch for buy positions, expecting the buyers to push us upwards up to this target. The next target is this one. If this target is broken, the next one is this one. That is my opinion on that instrument. My next chart is gold. So on gold, so far we had a very good support level here. So we mentioned that the price was supposed to pull back and touch it. Exactly that's what has happened. The price has come down up to this point and has touched it. So we are going to expect that the buyers will now continue to push price upwards up to this target here. If this target is broken, the next target is this one. So if the price does not continue up, then we may also want to pick a buy position if it pulls back down up to this point. So we may buy it here, expecting the buyers to push us up with the first target here. The next target is this one. My next chart, Brent oil. So it looks like today's candle on Brent oil has actually gone below this low, which is 82.762. While the price is held below this level, expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards. So look for more sell positions, at least up to this target here. So the idea basically on this chart is to wait for today's candle to close. If today's candle can close below this line, 82.762, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the lower side, at least up to this target here. My next chart is the SP500. This is bullish. If you check the daily chart, you can see what I'm talking about. we have price giving us higher highs and higher lows. This is a good sign that we may likely see price continue upwards. The current move we are seeing to the lower side is actually just a pullback, so we don't expect it to break below this point. We are going to be looking for buy positions up to this target here. We expect it to continue up. The next target is this one. So the idea here basically will be to watch for buy positions, watch for buy orders from this line here up to the next target, which is this one. The next target is this one. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.